So mama, if you're watching this video, whatever I'm answering is it's based on my research and my studies. Okay, please understand. Okay, the question is does size really matter? Alrighty darlings, today is a Divas where I will be answering all the burning, awkward, not so awkward, unhinged, offensive, not so offensive questions that you guys are too afraid to ask girls. Like seriously यार इतना डरते क्यों हो ये सब questions पूछने? I mean I understand तुम में से कुछ जंतु लोगों ने actual में हिम्मत जता के या जटा के ये questions आई डोंट नो यार, मैंने बराबर हिंदी नहीं बोला शायद से, बट एनीवे तुम में से कुछ जंतुओं ने क्वेश्चंस कुछ लड़कियों को पूछा होगा और उनको बदले में एक छमाट मिला होगा या फिर सम वियर्ड रिप्लाई, बट एनीवे आई एम हियर फॉर योर रेस्क्यू। मैंने मेरे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी में ये क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया था कि व्हाट आर सम क्वेश्चंस यू गाइस आर अफ्रेड टू आस्क गर्ल्स, एंड मुझे जो क्वेश्चंस मिले हैं, ओ माय गॉड, मुझे लगता है कि अब तक मैं एक ऑल्टरनेट रियलिटी में जी रही थी, बिकॉज आई हैड नो आइडिया दैट सम ऑफ यू गाइस डोंट नो अबाउट इट। बट एनीवे, लेट्स गेट राइट इनटू इट बिकॉज दीज क्वेश्चंस आर स्पाइसी, फनी, relatable, humorous. Some are a bit lame, but I also understand that I need to answer them because someone has to say it, okay? So without any further delay, let's get started. Before getting started with the questions, let me introduce myself. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sonali and hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be answering all the awkward, weird, spicy questions you guys are too afraid to ask girls, and मैं शपथ लेके कहती हूँ कि I will be as honest, as blunt, as बिंदास as I can. ऑफेंड होना ना होना आपके ऊपर है, तो बिना कुछ देरी हो जाए शुरू। Okay, so first we will start with some light questions and then eventually move towards some spicy questions. Directly spicy questions पूछ के सबको सदमा नहीं दे सकती, okay? And अभी ये जो आवाज चल रहा है ना, प्लीज आई मीन कोशिश करो बर्दाश्त करने की, बिकॉज आसपास तोड़-फोड़ चल रहा है, बिल्डिंग रीडेवलपमेंट में सब जा रहा है, एंड आई डोंट नो मेरे नेबर्स को दोपहर को क्या चूल मचता है, यू नो, कुछ ना कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन या रिपेयर का काम करने का, बट प्लीज ट्राई टू इग्नोर इट। मैंने नॉइस कैंसिलेशन तो डाला है बट उतना कुछ कैंसिल नहीं करता है, तो जस्ट ट्राई टू बेयर विद मी प्लीज, ओके? सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ लाइट हार्टेड क्वेश्चन. Do girls actually like nice guys or is that a lie? Okay, let me settle this once for all, ठीक है? The thing is, girls like nice guys, but they do not like guys who pretend to be nice. Okay, अभी difference क्या है ये दोनों का मैं बताती हूँ. बहुत सारे लड़के they start talking to girls or you know they make friendship with girls under the pretext of पटाविंग that girl, ठीक है? उनके दिमाग में ये रहता है कि चलो यार मैं इससे दोस्ती करता हूँ, कल ही मुझे हाँ बोल देगी, पट जाएगी, गर्लफ्रेंड बन जाएगी, ठीक है? फिर जब वो नहीं होता है उनका दिमाग खराब होता है, फिर उन लड़कियों पे एलिगेशंस डालते कि इसने मेरे को यूज किया, इसने मुझे फ्रेंड जोन किया, ठीक है? फ्रेंड जोन का कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे बहुत ही बेहुदा लगता है, ठीक है? सिंपल है यार, तुमने लड़की से दोस्ती की, तुमको प्यार हुआ, ठीक है, मैं समझती हूँ, फीलिंग्स पे किसी का कंट्रोल नहीं होता, बट फिर जब लड़की तुमको रिजेक्ट करती है, why do you get so offended कि तुम्हारे अंदर का रावण बाहर आ जाता है, and then you know you start spreading rumors about her. So that is not being a nice guy, right? That is pretending to be a nice guy, okay? I also understand that you know there are some girls who will try to be extra nice with you. They will flirt with you. They will kind of convince you that they're interested in you. And you know तुमसे सब help ले लेते हैं. And बाद में जब actual में तुम उसको ask out करते हो, उन लोग तुमको बोलेंगे कि no I'm not interested, मेरा boyfriend है. So I understand ऐसे केस में तुम्हारा offend होना, तो तुम boundaries set करो ना, so that the person does not walk all over you or treat you like a doormat. But तुम्हारा जो core nature है, being that nice person who is empathetic, who is genuine, who is helpful, वो तुम चेंज मत करो. Being nice in this world is very difficult, so you have to continue being nice, but yes you have to set boundaries so that people don't take advantage of you and कल तुम ये ना बोलो कि यार वो लड़की ने मेरा यूज किया, ठीक है? Having said that, also being a nice guy and then all of a sudden being a villain to a girl just because she rejected you is not being nice, okay? So yes, girls like nice guys, but they do not like guys who pretend to be nice. Second question is, oh my god, why do girls take forever to get ready? Because मेहनत लगती है परफेक्शन होने में, ठीक है? तुम लड़कों को गॉड गिफ्ट है, तुम लोगों को क्लियर स्किन है, तुम एक नॉर्मल साबुन से अपना थोबड़ा धो के बाहर चले जाओगे, you will still look very pretty. You all are gifted with beautiful eyelashes, gorgeous eyebrows and clear skin. We girls, we have to take extra effort for that. We have to do good skin care, we have to exfoliate, हमें मेकअप भी ऐसा डालना पड़ता है जो हमारे स्किन को सूट हो, बाल अच्छे से सेट करने पड़ते हैं, बाल का अलग से ध्यान देना पड़ता है, and so many other things. And we dress up for ourselves. So that we can feel good. जब बाकी लड़के हमें देख के पूछते वो लाइनर कहाँ से लाया है, वो लिपस्टिक कहाँ से, बाल अच्छा दिख रहा है, अच्छा लगता है when we girls compliment each other. So yes, I know we do take forever to get ready. There's no answer as such to why. Maybe because we like getting ready, maybe we like, you know, just sitting in front of the mirror and getting dolled up, feeling good about ourselves, because self love is again a good thing, right? So there is no answer as such to why, but yeah, we do love it. अब अगर लड़की से प्यार करते हो तो ये एक अच्छा एस्पेक्ट है, वो भी अपनाना पड़ेगा ना तुमको. The third question is, why do girls go to the bathroom in groups? Because we need some moment alone, away from the world and boys. Okay, we love going to the bathroom or washroom or restroom with our friends. We are like, okay, you know what, चलो जाना है, चलो जाना है, and then you know सब freshen up होके बाहर आएंगे, थोड़ा बहुत तैयार वैयार होंगे, and then एक दूसरे को देख के बोलेंगे, ओह तेरा स्कर्ट मस्त है, अरे मेरे स्कर्ट में पॉकेट भी है, and then you know that's how girls become friends. Like how you guys you'll go to some football event and you'll just say हाँ भाई कैसा, and friends बन जाते हैं. हम लड़कियां वहाँ friends बन जाती है, you know, and then that bathroom is one whole TED Talk session together where you kind of motivate each other, compliment each other, share your secrets together. Like I have legit shared my secrets with a stranger in a completely new public washroom. Like new public washroom मतलब वो जगह नया था, मैं वहाँ पे गई थी, तो ब्यूटीफुल फ्रेंडशिप्स होते हैं यार ये बाथरूम में. मतलब वहाँ पे वो फ्रेंडशिप शुरू होकर खत्म होता है, बिकॉज एक बार तुम बाहर आते हो, यू गो बैक टू योर ओन वर्ल्ड, बट दैट इज वन कंफर्टेबल सेफ स्पेस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. सो दैट्स हाउ वी गो टू द बाथरूम टुगेदर. आई लव दिस क्वेश्चन. आई एम गोना आंसर इट बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी पर्सनल. लाइक दिल पे आ गया ये क्वेश्चन. डू गर्ल्स टॉक गाइज ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिफोर टॉकिंग टू देम? 101%. हम लड़कियां तुम्हारी पूरी कुंडली निकाल देते हैं. तुम्हारा कुत्ते का नाम क्या है, तुम कहाँ रहते हो, तुम पहले कहाँ रहते थे, तुम्हारी कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड है, तुम्हें क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं पसंद है, किसके साथ लफड़ा हुआ है किसके साथ लफड़ा नहीं हुआ है. We know every damn thing, and especially if you're interested in that guy, we will stalk their social media. Social media से friend circle का पता चलता है, friend circle से कौन किसका चाचा है, कौन किसका भतीजा है, कौन किसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, सब पता चलता है. वो लड़के का पूरा डेटा मिल जाता है हमें. So we do that when we are interested in that guy, or we are you know looking up for a guy जिसके पीछे हमारी friend पड़ी है. Like for example, if my best friend has a crush on someone, I will definitely उसका पूरा चिट्टा विट्टा निकाल दूंगी just to ensure he is the right guy for my friend. अभी तक जो questions थे they were cute, they were relatable, but now it's time to move towards spicy questions. I mean मुझे first question यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, and देख the thing is मेरे relatives ने already मुझे disown कर लिया. Like ये लड़की तो गई हाथ से, अब इसका तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, ठीक है. I don't want my parents to disown me. So mama, if you're watching this video, whatever I'm answering is it's based on my research and my studies. Okay, please understand. Okay, the question is does size really matter? मैंने तुम लोगों को promise किया है I'm gonna be 100% honest about it. So here I go. I really hope you guys don't get offended. Okay, the thing is size does not matter. Again, this is subjective, but for most of the girls with whom I'm friends, my colleagues, everyone, size does not matter. It is confidence that matters. It is skills that matter. Okay, simple है. गाड़ी कितनी बड़ी हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, गाड़ी को चलाने आना चाहिए, गाड़ी का स्पीड मैनेज करना आना चाहिए. एंड जो रोड्स होते हैं, भले वो हाईवे हो या बम्पी रोड है, वो कुछ भी हो, वहाँ पे गाड़ी मैनेज करने आना चाहिए. सो अगेन, अभी इसमें ऑफेंड मत होना कि मैंने कुछ चीज़ों को गाड़ी के साथ कंपेयर किया. मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ ताकि मैं क्लियरली तुम लोग को समझा सकूँ. Size does not matter. It's confidence and skills that matter, and what you do with it and how you do it, that matters. I really hope I answered your question. इस ज़्यादा डिटेल में मैं जा नहीं सकती क्योंकि फिर मुझे चप्पलें मिलेगी. चप्पलें ऑलरेडी मिलने वाली है, बट ठीक है. एनीथिंग फॉर यू गाइज. आई एम गोना टाई माई हेयर क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है. मुझे सच में लगा कि अब मैं बाल मैंने छोटा काटा है तो मुझे गर्मी घंटा होगा, बट भाई साहब मार्च में इतनी गर्मी है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोना हैपन इन अप्रैल और मे. आई स्वेयर टू गॉड. चलो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Do girls fake it? Okay, if that girl likes her guy, okay, if we girls like you, we will communicate with you, okay, but initially we might fake it so that we don't offend you, okay, but later on we will communicate with you about our needs and wants. So to answer your question, yes, in order to not offend you, we girls do fake it, but eventually we girls do communicate with you because we want you guys to learn, understand and everything, and for the love of God guys, ठीक है. do not depend on some adult films for your techniques, okay? वो और reality में बहुत फर्क है. I would just say that, okay? Okay, what's the question? What's worse, bad breath or bad hygiene? If you show up on a date smelling like an expired onion, is it good? Obviously not, right? Your breath is important, so as your hygiene. I mean, once I legit argued with my colleague because when we girls were speaking about men hygiene, he thought that women expect men to shave their body hair. अरे यार body hair एक choice होता है, तुमको रखना है तो रखो, shave करना है तो करो, but basic hygiene रखो यार. तुम जो एक ही साबुन है उसमें तुम तुम्हारा हाथ पैर धोगे, बदन धोगे, मुंह धोगे, बाल धोगे, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Basic hygiene रखो. There are so many men who follow some good hygiene process, like right from their hair care to their skin care to their body care. That's it. जैसे बहुत सारे 10 प्रोडक्ट्स कंज्यूम करने का जरूरत नहीं. यू कैन जस्ट हैव few good products for your body, hair and skin, and that's it. That's done. And brush your teeth. Sometimes we have bad cavities इसके वजह से no matter how much ever you brush your teeth, your mouth does smell. So eat some sugar free chewing gum. जो लिस्ट्रीन है उससे थोड़ा सा गार्गलिंग सब करो यार, उससे थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है. Like these are some basic things that we women really expect. It's like the bare minimum, and kudos to guys who already do that. Like there are so many guys who follow this basic hygiene routine and it is so good, it's so attractive. तुम लोगों को लगेगा ये क्या attractive बोल रहे, but it's damn attractive when guys like take care of their body, their hair, their skin and everything. It's a turn on. Trust me on that. So please इस पे focus करो. Both are worse to answer your question, तो दोनों पे focus करो. Okay, now the next few questions are more around the feelings and the relationships and everything. Okay, so let's get started. Why do girls lose feelings so fast? Okay. Now see, there are some girls who just date for time pass, so I understand why they lose feelings fast, क्योंकि उनका एक पे कभी टिकता नहीं है. They keep hopping like it's shopping or I don't know what it is. But about girls who have really invested in you and the relationship, if you're talking about them losing feelings, let me explain you something. क्या होता है ना, day one of the relationship से girls बार बार लड़कों को बोलते रहते हैं उनके expectations, यार तुम ऐसे मत करो, ये मत करो, मुझे इस चीज से hurt होता है, don't do this, like this is really toxic, this is really offensive, don't do this, it's hurting me. But guys don't listen, okay? उनके एक कान से अंदर घुस के एक कान से बाहर जाता है. And if you're getting offended, that means it's you. If you're not getting offended, that means you're not one of them. So listen properly before getting offended, okay? So उनका एक कान से घुस के एक कान से बाहर जाते हैं. They do not give a damn about what their girlfriend is telling them. Like लड़की बोलते रहेगी कि भाई ऐसा मत कर, मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. नहीं, करते जाएंगे. And that girls really do have good patience, okay? So patience का जब वो बांध टूटता है, that सब्र का बांध जब टूटता है ना, that's when girls start losing feelings. And what happens is 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल का relationship में लड़की बर्दाश्त करती रहेगी. She will keep telling you that don't do it, work on yourself, it's hurting me, but that guy won't listen. And जब तक वो लड़का finally सुधरता है, वो लड़की का feelings खत्म हो जाता है वो लड़के के लिए, because she's like यार मैं इतना ये अपना सर फोड़ रही हूँ लड़के के बीच और ये कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है मेरे लिए. Like मैं इतना बेसिक चीज एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है, टू बी अ गुड बॉयफ्रेंड, टू बी अ ग्रीन फ्लैग, लड़कियों को फालतू लड़कियों को फॉलो ना करे, उनके साथ चैटिंग वैटिंग ना करे, इतना भी तुमको अगर करने नहीं होता तो फिर girls do lose that feeling. So to answer your question, if that girl is someone who just wants to do time pass with you, like a situationship or whatever it is, hook up, then they do lose feelings because they like dating, they like being very exclusive and dating guys one after the other. But if a girl is really invested in you, if she loves you, she wants to be with you and everything, and then if she loses feelings, this is the only reason कि वो बोल के थक चुकी है and now she has finally given up. Okay, the next question is, can girls tell when a guy is inexperienced? आवाज आ रहा है ना, वो redevelopment चल रहा है. Question सुनाना मैं वापस बोलती हूँ. Can girls tell when a guy is inexperienced? I'm yelling. Please don't get mad at me for yelling, but I'm just trying to make sure you all can hear everything. Okay, the answer is yes. Girls do understand when a guy is inexperienced, and that's not just limited to physical intimacy, but also the way a guy who is not experienced approaches a girl, befriends her, or tries to take her out on a date. It's very well understood when the guy does not have any experience. But having said that, there are guys who I've heard about, and some in my circle as well, when it was their first time dating a girl, meeting a girl, taking her out, or getting whatever with her, because they were well read, they understood like things, and they did not rely on some adult fake movies for certain things. they were very confident in their own skin, and I think that's what girls love. Okay, so even if you're inexperienced in every way, it is fine. But what I've noticed with some other section of guys is that because they're inexperienced, they're very desperate when it comes to everything, right? From the intimacy factor to approaching a girl, they will be so desperate to take you out. They will cross all the boundaries. Okay, like they will not even respect your boundaries. They will be extremely desperate. Like you will feel very uneasy around them. That they will try to be very touchy. They will be like, come out on a date with me. Let's go here. Let's go there. Please, please. Why are you not telling yes to me? Like वो typical बच्चे लोग होते हैं जिनका खिलौना छीन जाता है, तुम लोग कैसा behave करते थे, behave like that. So yes, we girls do understand when a guy is inexperienced in all the matters. But again, if you're inexperienced, it's not a big deal. Just be confident, and just be a bit knowledgeable and educated about certain things. That's it, and the rest will just happen naturally. Go with the flow, but don't be very desperate and kind of be a person who is not respecting your partner's boundary and just keep forcing them to do things, and be very touchy. Like I remember this one guy, he never had a girlfriend, which is fine, that is not a problem. But वो क्या करता था ना कॉलेज में, सबसे बहुत चिपकने का, हक करने का, and he was so unapologetic about certain things. like वो बोलता भी था, हाँ मैंने कभी किसी को किस नहीं किया, मैंने कभी किसी लड़की को टच नहीं किया है, हाँ मैं तो अभी सीधा शादी करूंगा. And then he used to go and try to hug girls. Imagine लड़की लोगों को क्या फील होता है, वो बोले कि भाई क्या आगे चिपक रहा है. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Again, there are other guys which I told you about who are like well articulated, well read, they're knowledgeable, so they know exactly how to approach girls, be with them, and be confident in their own skin. But don't be desperate, don't try too hard. That's turn off. And that concludes the wild ride of a Q&A we had. Like I really had fun reading these questions. I mean, there are so many other questions, but I don't think so this video is enough for that. So I'll probably try making a part 2, but then again that depends on how many more questions you guys have. So let me know in the comments if you'll have some unhinged questions for which you'll need answers. And girls, what is that one thing you want all the men to know? Let me know in the comments. Let's make this comment section a survival guide for all the men out there. And yes, if you like the video, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.